to understand what you're doing to your body. So when we actually start the race, we're gonna take the anvil down onto the beach, and we'll start it with the hammer. And then when you finish, for you new people, if you don't know, I've got everybody's flag, and that's what our youngsters will do. Some of them at the end of the race, they'll take the flag down around the corner where you start coming around and have your flag for you, and you'll run in with it through the village area. We don't call it the transition. We don't have a true transition. Through the village area. And we'll have your national anthem blasting on the stereo. So as you finish under the banner, we'll take the flag and we'll give you the hammer, and you get to strike the anvil twice, signifying your finish of the race.
Suck, Maria. This is awesome. You're out here finding this edge, and you're figuring out how to push past that edge, and you think it's a limit, but it's not. And that, when you're done, is like, dude, this is awesome. This is so empowering. And for me, that's what triathlon has been. So yeah, it's this physical thing, but for me, it's like figuring out who we all are together.
Hello, it's me.
yeah, he was going to get it done. You know, he wants, you know, wanted to get it done. And so he made it to the start line. He had his own personal escort near the end of the race, you know. Yeah, he was the last one out on the water, but, you know, he was having some issue with the shoulder. Once he got out, boom, he was good to go. So, but, I mean, 5th place male in a time of 33 hours, 19 minutes, John Lee.